thank you very much for joining us today. Some of you come from very far, but even the one coming from Paris, Hugues, thank you. So we have Mircea, CEO of Moven, Ricky, CEO of Tandem Bank, Valentin, CEO of N26 or number 26, I never know what, N26. Hugues, CEO of Compte, and Ken, CEO of Lunar. All different geographies, as you can see on the slide. I won't repeat it. And all quite different business models. So we'll discuss that today. Beneath all my question is what we discussed a bit before, and I already say, I don't know if you were here when I was with Stefan, but I am sometimes a bit skeptical about the neobanks model in B2C markets, knowing the money you need to invest to have high volume of customer and the reluctance of customer to pay for services. So at the time, we all need to earn money. So behind a lot of my question, you will find that. So it's beneath everything. I will first begin because I know you very well. For those you don't know, you have a book with a nice paper on each of them. But I think the best thing is to begin by, for each of you to take 2 minutes to present who you are and what is doing your company in your specific geography. So please, Mircea, and we do that.
So Moven in the US runs a challenger bank or neobank. We acquire customers under our own brand. The same software that we use to run the bank in the US, we sell to banks white label worldwide. We have 4 banks as of now. In total, we have about 1 million customers using our software today. So 2 businesses, the neobank and the software sales to banks that want to accelerate the deployment of digital banking technology.
Oh, sorry, before we keep, which one is doing more money?
Which one is?
Which one of the 2 businesses is doing more money?
Moven is doing both.
No, which one is doing more money?
Oh, the software sales is doing much better than the neobank. That's pretty clear.
Thank you. I knew the answer, but
yeah.
Ricky?
Hi there, guys. Ricky Knox, founder and CEO of Tandem Bank. We are what we hope will define next generation bank, which I can expand on further. But Neo. I don't like Neo so much.
You don't have Neo. So we come back to next generation. Please.
Hi, I'm Valentin. I'm the founder and the CEO of N26. We are the biggest neobank and the bank of the next generation in Europe. We have over 200,000 customers, of which 30,000 already here in France. We've just recently launched on the French market a couple of weeks ago. So we see a tremendous pickup. We see that people are ready to move bank accounts. I think we have built kind of the future of banking. I think most of you who work in banks will know our app because most of your development departments will have had a look at it. And I'm very happy to be here and I'm very happy to have a lot of customers.
Just one question I forgot for all of you. How much money did you raise for your project until now?
So until to date, we've raised over 50 million euros.
108 million.
$24 million, US dollars.
So some pocket money. You can answer the same question every time. Hugues?
Okay, 39 million for us.
And present yourself.
Euros. So we are in the IBAN business, International Banking Account Number, and people can open their account at the tobacconists at the shop around the corner. So we did start in February 2014, and we open now something like 26,000 accounts a month, one every 30 seconds, and people can open their account in 2,200 shops today, and we open 100 new shops a month. This is 25 a week, and 25 a week and 5 a day. So one new shop every hour, and 1 new customer every 30 seconds. That's what we do today. People have an IBAN, have website, all the devices, make direct debits, transfers, pay with their card, have their balance.
And
so
you can't open online. It's always in the shop the first time, is that?
Always in the shop for compliance issues and for business model issues, because when you are in the retail, you don't have to spend too much money for the cost of acquisition of customers, for advertising, SEO, etc. So it's a question of business model and compliance.
Thank you. Ken?
Hi, I'm Ken from Lunar. Lunar is a Nordic banking service, so we do banking services in Denmark right now, launching in Norway and Sweden in a couple of months. We have a rather specific model where we don't have our own banking license, but instead of just using one, we have national incumbents as banking partners. So we have a Danish banking partner, a Norwegian and a Swedish banking partner, and tend to put a lot of focus on brand. Our average user is right now 21, so we really try to put a strong effort on brand. Probably in response to Valentin being the biggest, we are maybe the smallest neobank in the European Union, and raised 5 million euros so far.
So as you can see, quite different models. So can we come back to you, Ricky? 1 minute, you said you are not a neobank, bank next generation. Tell me a bit more about what will be your bank.
Okay.